Welcome back to another spreadsheet tutorial with WPS College. We all somehow end up in a similar situation where we have to finish everything in a hurry. For example, if you find it looks familiar, you should keep on watching to find out the best organizational tool to optimize your productivity. Text to columns. This function is to separate the contents of one cell into separate columns. To utilize this function, the first step is to make observations. Is there any pattern you find among this one-piece text that can break them into multiple columns? In another word, what is the one unique trait shared in between every interval? In this example, we can clearly see that for every text that we wish to split, there is a space. The first step is to select the columns that you wish to split, and then find data under the top menu bar. Select the option called Text to Columns. This window will pop up, and make sure to select the first option, Delimited. Pick the correct delimiters. Because in this example, we only find one delimiter, we're gonna only choose the option space. But please note that you are not only limited to one option. Please subscribe, and you can also leave comments down below for ideas that you might like to see in WPS Office suite. Thank you. Bye bye.